Hello everyone, my name is Akshat and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge, question number 24. Question is valid Sudoku. Well, this question is very straightforward. You just need to return true or false whether this is valid Sudoku or not. You're given a Sudoku in the form of the two-dimensional array, and you like what is an invalid Sudoku? Well, if you have two repeating numbers in the same row, so in column, or this square box containing again 9 numbers. Well, this is the only question. I have like written the code and submitted to. So this is the code. If you see this code in a little detail, this first two for loops is for checking rows. Then there are another two for loops for checking columns, and this two for loop for checking for a box. Okay. For checking a box, you are actually running one more function which is actually responsible for checking the box. Well, this code 3 millisecond time complexity, which is not the optimal time complexity for this question. And this code 2 is very big and messy, as you can see, and I completely accept that. Well, thing is, this code, if you count, it will actually running in 243 times. Okay, 81, 81, and 81 times. And I cannot think of some other solution, but actually I found some other solution in LeetCode only. Well, this is the and this is the solution, and this is a very clever solution. Although it end up making so many hash sets, like actually 9 hash set in this row array, and again 9 hash sets in this column array, and one more 9 hash sets in this box array, which ends up to 9 3 27 hash sets. And but the best part about this code is two things. First, this code is very small, very small, very readable. And another thing is 981, only 81 times this for loop is running and checking all the conditions at the same time. So this is a very cool code, so I thought of showing this code to you. So thank you everyone.